Yeah, because I think she was his muse, right? And his muse is gone. The way he thought she should be. The Invisible Man. Ooh. Okay, let's go. And therefore, he can't paint anymore. The muse is gone! The muse is gone away for good. The muse is gone! Gone away for good. Right? Yeah, I know, jump scare. 2 were actually really good, I have to say that. What? No. Yes, it's not that long. September 15th. More notes. What? More notes today? Oh, yeah. Even worse than before. The sad part is I agree with every word. Yeah, wow, that's an information. Wow. Yeah, that's... thank you. Oh. A child? That's a child's drawing, right? That's daddy painting? Okay. And that's, who knows, mommy crying? That's a painting. No, that's a burning house. Right? There's a house. Yeah, of course. Thank you. Aha. Aha. I solved the crime. My name is Miss Marple. And her husband is a Slytherin. So he's basically a Malfoy. That's weird. Okay. Okay. Oh no, you see what I mean? Which way to go? I have no idea. Because when we go in here, this door will close. If we go in here, this door will close, right? So which one is the right one? I think we go with writing on the walls, right? Yeah, let's do that. Of course. Oh. My name is Mako Drelfoy. Oh, it's open. Okay, thank you. Bronicles? What? Tellerstones? What? Blind Fool? Greetings. Simple. Ingrates. Nee, ingrates doch. And ignorant. Blind. Wow! That's the ugly freak! You are really ugly. Sorry. Yeah, you are. You are a creep. Oh.
Ugly?
Yeah! Ugly!
You ordered a true portrait, so that's what I painted, you fucking pleb!
You fucking
Maybe
pleb!
I had to kick some artistic sense into your stupid face!
I like it, you fucking pleb. Okay. So he painted somebody, and then... wow. I think somebody paid him to paint a portrait of his. And he did this. Wow. Well, I told you in the beginning you were ugly as a mother can be. But I like the saying, you fucking pleb. I have to say, that's nice. Yeah, so this is it. The voices are gone, so we can go on. I think that's what we... So now it's established that he doesn't actually like her anymore, to be kind. And he's not able to do his perfect paintings or his great paintings anymore. He's losing it. Wow. And they have a child, I think. I guess. Let's go. I thought so. Well, I am a pleb. I am a pleb. Yes, I am an effing pleb. That's what he said. That's what he said. He called me an effing pleb. Why can't he run? Hello. Running. He can't run downstairs. Why? He has a bad knee? Ah. No. Wait. Can we push something? No. Oh, yes, we can. I bet we have to do this. I have no idea why. Huh? First time we can move something. Oh. Oh, that's outside. Oh. Oh no, we have to read a lot. Wow. No. Pipe. There was something. No. Eh? I am a pleb. An effing pleb. That's what he said. An effing pleb. I am so proud about that name. 'Cause I really don't like this game. No. That's all? We just walk past here and we can do... Can we get up here? Wait. Yeah. Aha! I'm so smart. Hello. I'm so smart. 'Cause I'm an effing pleb, you know? Hello? It's not working. Oh, we have to go down. Okay, we have the key to this door. Right, right. Or to the other. Let's have a look. I am a pleb. An effing pleb. Yay. An effing pleb. He hates my guts. He smells like fish. I'm so smart. I'm so smart. Wait. So. Now be serious. This is a serious game. I know it's no. No, open the door. Wait a minute. Ha. Anything else? No, just a picture, right? Okay, let's have a look, Luke. That's mommy and baby. Why do we take a look at mama and baby? Oh, we took it. Oh, we took it. Okay. I go to bed as a pleb. Ow. 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 Ow, ow. Can we get the... Nope. Hello. Right. There is a fly all the time here. It's weird. Yeah, I get it. Walk faster, walk faster. Ooh. I have to read a letter. Stop doing that. Dear sir, Oh. If I'm to be honest, I can't say your letter was unexpected. Numerous colleagues have informed me that you had previous... What's their advice in this matter, and while it is... I can't read this. I'm sorry. This goes on my nerves. Right. What? Yeah, that's why I can't read the letter. I know. I know. But I think we get the letter, right? That should be in our book. We can read this later. That's a telephone. Huh? Am I running in circles? The letter is gone. Yeah. Hello? What happens if I get that? I'm missing something, right? Ah! Hello? 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 I can't do anything. Thank you.
Yes, speak.
Right? I won't hurt you. Hello, hello. My name is Telephone Man. I am the Telephone Man. Yeah. Jump scare.
Yes, speak.
What? I won't hurt you. I am the Telephone Man. And I go on the telephone ren. Aha! I have to say, I don't find this game very... I mean, it was one of the first, I think, in those days, back in 1841, when they made computer games. Restless Memories. But this is too much of a... Ooh, mystical, you know what I mean? Ugh! They do good jump scares, by the way. Just saying. You sexy mother. Oh. Upside down. Thoughts. What? Fred's thoughts. I don't know. Oh, thank you. Where's Fred? Hello. Okay. I won't hurt you. Flapping horror, yeah. Be quiet. What constantly happening? Eating other rats. What? Flapping horror? Could be my neighbor. Be quiet. Constantly flapping. Eating other rats. It's a riddle. It's a riddle. I say it's a formerly fat cat who lost weight too much, too fast. So the skin on the belly button is flapping, and he's eating rats. So it's a now skinny cat who was once fat. That's my assumption. Hi. Yeah, that was fun. Why is he always going back? Because sometimes you can open the door again. Oh! We are back at this one. Of course not. What? Hope is the mind killer. Wow. Wow. Very poetic. Okay, I'm actually bored by this game now, by this time. I have to say, I'm sorry. They have some jump scares, but I don't find the story very interesting because it's told in a weird way. And in my opinion, too weird. I'm so sorry, but it's... I mean, I played a few of these games, and they're always weird in terms of storytelling, but most of the time interesting. I don't find this story very interesting. I like the graphics, but it's... Abandon hope while you can. Yeah, because hope kills the freedom of your mind. Wow. Who came up with that? It's a bad fortune cookie. That's bad fortune cookie teller. Yeah, that's it. Okay, in my case, in any case, not in mine, in any case, as your lawyer, I advise you to refrain from any imprudent actions. In other words, don't do anything stupid. We still have a chance of winning this. Believe it or not, I've gotten clients out of deeper shit than this. Just don't... Be quiet over there. Just don't make it any worse. Lay low for a while and let me appeal the court order. This social worker definitely has it in for you. We can use that to our advantage. Portray you as a victim of the system, a husband in mourning, a momentary lapse of reason, and over salus? What? And over bureaucrat. Trust me, this is our best option. Considering what you've been through lately, I say we have a good 50-50 chance of a good outcome, but not if you keep trying to convince everyone that you've gone completely insane. No more. No more outbursts, no more rambling, better yet, no public appearance whatsoever. You can still get your dough. You can still get your dough. It's also a bit messy because you constantly end up new places. Yeah, it's more interesting if you have more static areas. And you can progress by, solving puzzles. Yes, and in some cases we couldn't go back. So you just, this is why, before that with a doll, I was so like, now we go in that room and then we can't go into the other room. And it's, yeah. It's like TV shows these days, you know, they all have these flashback thingy where they start the story of whatever 4 protagonists for this TV show, and then they have to have a flashback from the childhood. The next flashback is from 1973. Now they're back in the present time. Then they go back to whatever, like weird storytelling. Tell a story as it is. Have a beginning, a middle, and an end. How about that? And let me get through that. I don't get it. Now he's in court. Right? Trust me. Who is this now? Is this us? Did we kill our wife? Is this our wife who killed us as a husband? Did we kill our kid and our wife? Who knows? Or is this just the maid? Maybe the maid killed the cat. It's not curiosity who killed the cat. It's the maid. That's it. The maid killed the cat. In this beautiful game. I know it's a game everybody loves. I know Layers of Fear is like, woo. We played the second part of it first, Layers of Fear 2, and I found that better. And that was actually way better than this one. I'm really... Yeah. Yeah. What? How about your mother? It looks great, and I think the story is great, but it's, or maybe I'm just bored. Not every game is for everyone, we have to say. I know this is a great game, and it was, in my opinion, like, it started this whole mystic, thriller-esque horror games, you know, with a lot of stories, stuff like this, opening drawers and finding stuff. I think this was one of the first who did it, so like this, and had a kind of like an open weird story, which is not bad. I like playing those games. But this is a bit too confusing for my little mind. But I like doing this. I need to open drawers and stuff like this. Oh, look at this. Dead by Daylight. Hey. No. Hi. You got a letter? What? Silent floaters. They clog the drains. Fur in the water. No bath for me. What? Yeah. So it's rats now. Thank you, very kind. The rats in the drains, and the drains in the rats. You can't take a bath here. Hello. Look, it's Dead by Daylight. That's what I thought. No, hey, I need this when the murder comes. Hello. I have to hide. The murderer. What? At least we can do this. Yeah. Well, it does look very nice. I like the graphics too. I like the graphic style of this. Many games have this type of style, and I really like it. And I have nothing against the fact that there is maybe it's a little bit of a weird story or an open story or something. That's okay. But this is too much for my little taste. What? Hello. Let's move faster. Yeah, it's closed. Okay, that's good. There's another jump scare coming. Hello. Zu. Open. Ja. Aha. Let's see. Oh! Which way to go? We make a rough decision here. Come on. Let's go. I wanted to know how the story ends. That's what I want to know. If we get a hint, if we are right with our, or if I'm right with my assumptions. Of course, there's a basement. Why do they have electricity and why do they have candles here? And he can't walk steps fast. There's the piano. I think we have to go over there. I need alcohol, yes. Give me some schnapps. I don't get the rat thing now. That's what I'm... Dangling dread. Patient, thirsty. Furry leash. Afraid to look up. Yeah, well then don't look up. Maybe shave yourself. I don't care. What? Yeah, rats. Hello. Maybe it's him being naked and she's writing all these letters. Like, you know, furry and stuff. And his little peepee looks like a rat, like a dead rat, maybe. Or it is a dead rat. It's not moving. Hey, who knows? Okay, let's go. I think the piano is the next key. I'm doing this faster now, okay? Because I'm a little bit bored, but I want to get through this. Yeah. Hi. What was that? Huh? Eh? Yeah. So, to note, for all of us, all of you who are watching this, like millions of people are watching this now, I know for sure. So, there was a man once, he had a furry, and it looked like a dead rat. She hated it, so she didn't touch him. She said, "Hey, I thought my lyrics were good." He wants to make love to me, but I don't want to have that in me. No, please don't. Keep drinking your alcohol. I think that was fitting.
I needed to remove the flesh from the bone. At first, I was lost as to how, but then I sawed it off with a handsaw, boiled it, then put the bone in a mortar. I had to get one, obviously. This was not something I'd done before. Finally, I mixed the dust with some white paint. It made for a lovely undercoat.
Okay, we got the third thing. Can we go back to the room now? I'm actually a poet and a lyricist. I don't know if you noticed. Yeah. Can you walk slower? Come on, you pleb. Ah, see. Ah, there are the letters, the rats. Okay. What? Wait, what if you fail? Well, then I kill your mother. What do you think? Ah, we have to do the painting thing, and then it goes... let's do this, Wow. And in the end, it's a painting of Herr Göteborg in his youth. Okay, we have to find 3 other things. We have blood, we have skin, we have bone. Okay, we don't need to read all of that. Nothing is changing here. Let's move on. Yeah, I know. Yahoo! What's that? Is that my wife?